Guys, today we have a new device, OnePlus 5T. So we are going to unbox it. So this is a flagship device from OnePlus. It is a successor to the old OnePlus 5. The main change over the OnePlus 5 is the new display. So this is the box. So as you can see, this is the device itself. Now it supports a 6-inch Full HD plus resolution display, and the fingerprint sensor from the front has been moved to the back of the phone. So let's put the device aside and let's check what's in the box. So standard dash charge and the Type-C USB cable. Apart from that, we have few more things. So this is the extra package. So we get a silica case, nice addition. We get a SIM ejector tool and few user guide and kind of stuff, and some OnePlus stickers. Shot on OnePlus, powered by dual camera. That's all. So let's power on the device. So until this device boots up, let me give you an overview. On the front, we have a AMOLED 6-inch resolution display with the resolution of 1080p. That's a Full HD plus that supports 18:9 ratio, screen ratio. We have the front headset, a 16 megapixel front camera. On the top, we have nothing. On the left, we have a alert slider. That is the greatest addition of OnePlus devices. Below that, we have volume rocker. On the bottom, we have a mono speaker with a Type-C socket, a microphone, and a 3.5 millimeter jack. On the right, we have a power button and our SIM tray. Let me show you the SIM tray. So this device supports dual nano SIM. I have the 64 GB version. So on the back, we have dual 16 plus 20 megapixel camera, our flash, secondary noise cancellation microphone, and the fingerprint sensor here. So the secondary camera here has been replaced with a stable wide angle low light lens. Earlier we had a telephoto lens where we can zoom in. So now we are inside the device. So let's set it up. I'll set it as a new device. Let me connect it to my Wi-Fi. Checking for updates. So this device ships with Android Nougat 7.1.1 out of the box, but the Oreo update, beta update has been released. The second beta update has been released, and OnePlus has promised to give a stable Oreo update to OnePlus 5T in January. OnePlus 5 has also already received the Oreo update. So let's skip all those things. We have the new face unlock feature and everything like that. Finishing. So we are inside the device. So as you can see, this is the full 6-inch display. We already have a software update that come with some camera improvements. We'll see it later on. Let's check the storage and everything. So as I told you, this device comes with Android 7.1.1 out of the box. We have a 6 GB variant with 64 GB of internal storage. Apart from that, from the last device from OnePlus 5, few things have have been changed as there are no capacitive buttons here. So the new fingerprint sensor will support some gestures. So let me show you the gesture. So like this is the new gesture. So swipe behind to get the notification panel, and long press to take photo. So in camera, these are the camera modes. You can easily switch between camera modes. So when you long press the fingerprint sensor, it will take photo. As you see, I haven't touched any button and it take the photo. So in the box, these are all these things I got inside the box. So this is the quick unboxing of OnePlus 5T. I have bought an Honor V10, so I'll show you the camera comparison of both the devices in the coming video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.